Hello everybody, and we're going to be showing you how to make or get buff points. So the easy way is to spin and collect. You can spin for free, but it's not going to be that much. But once you get your free spin, you press collect, then you can buy a $2 one, which gives you up to 1,000 points. That's definitely a bunch times more than how much I have. Though I give you that. Now there's promo codes. You can enter promo codes, which I don't know how you get them, or you can buy a buff box. You get up to 50 to 600 buff points, but probably the highest is probably the spin and collect. I don't know about promo codes. And another one is just finishing challenges from your favorite games. Probably Minecraft, Rocket League, Brawl Stars, Clash Royale, PUBG, I don't know, Clash of Clans, Fortnite. Fortnite's probably the most popular of this one, though, with Buff, or Fall Guys, or Power World. I know a lot that like this Power World thing. I don't know what it is. And how you can redeem them too is by you go to this little shopping cart, and then there's a marketplace. You just click on it, and then you get taken to like here. The first thing that probably will pop up is headphones, or like a small computer setup thing. You can buy gift cards like a Hulu thing. Some things are only premium. You can buy Xbox card, Roblox card. They said that you can get V-Bucks in here, but I don't see V-Bucks, so I'm confused. But you can also add friends on here, followers, friends list and stuff on Buff too. You can also get buff points by the reward track / battle pass, and it shows a game you're playing that's giving you the things. So like this thing is Roblox. I'm going up by Roblox. And raffles, there is raffles you can use when you have buff points. You can get tickets from those battle pass things or the reward track, and then you can go here and then like put a bunch of buff points into them. It's like those things on Microsoft Rewards sweepstakes. When you put too much of your Microsoft points in it, then you basically just get the item. But yeah. You can also get buff points by downloading the mobile app. Yeah, you can do download challenge and a daily challenge for your mobile. I don't know. And then also you can get more buff points when you download it from Opera GX. That too. And then there's other things on here, but yeah. There's also an offer wall where you can go to websites. It says you can earn up to some free cash. You can get up to 1,100 cash or buff points. And then it tells you how to get it. When you register for the free cash, you get 100. When you withdraw, at least $2, 1,000, which is more, or probably not more. Well, yeah, okay, I don't know. When you go here, 2,000 or 1,000, I mean, you could possibly get this Ladybug and Cat Nowhere with 1,000 coins in the Star Trek thingy, Command Star Overlet, and $10 place. Well, no. You can also download. You can also use your buff points to protect the wildlife habitats. That's a good thing. And then a bunch of other things like a £1 ocean cleanup and protect a marine area and save a baby sea turtle and 1 OKG cannon bin offset. and plant a tree. You know, so you can, the most cheapest things here is like a tier collection cards or profile collection stuff. Or icon collections, basically for like when you want to change your profile picture or have tier collection cards, whatever those are. You can just, these are only for buff though, they're buff things, like these profile pictures, buff. I like the icons. I'm fine with the alien one for now though. Yeah. Then you can upgrade the premium, and you can also get more buff points when you upgrade the premium. Thing is, you have to pay for it with these buff points. You can get 5 buff points, 3 buff points, a raffle tickets to get Robux, something like that. So, it's not that well for, yeah. And also, you can look at your games. The cool thing about Buff, when you play a game, it records that and saves it to the file. And if you forgot to like record the part, you can actually go to your files and see like do the moment. It's not like you can do with whatever. Like in Fortnite, if you get a kill that's so special to you, it just like saves that, so that like the challenges thing, it like puts it in there. You basically can actually get you can actually get the video footage of it. The easiest thing ever is in the game. But it's only for premium users. What is this premium? You probably are asking. The premium, yeah, you can get 50 monthly buffs. I don't know if you get monthly buffs, like get buff points every month with the free one. You can also get 100% for 50% gaming earnings. Disable start in-game pop-ups. Yeah, those are kind of annoying. That kind of made me want to delete off a bit, but I want my free stuff though. But up to 35% discount on the marketplace in raffles and challenge. With the discount on the marketplace on the normal one, you can like see here with this Hulu thing, you can get $25 one for only 4,200 buff points. Which you can get more for a little cheaper. And then this Premium Plus, a 200% game earning, which is a lot. And then 100 monthly buffs, which is pretty cool. And special raffles and challenges, and it'll include all regular premium benefits. So anything you have from the premium benefits also count here. I don't know if like it counts also with another 50 plus, so it's gonna be like 150 plus. I don't know. With the premium elite, get the god level buff mastery monthly loot boxes. So like the box here you can get like gift cards for like Steam $10 gift cards. That's a rare though. You can get some random amount of buff points, XP for like the Roblox reward tracking, boosters to help you in the profile and covering of velocity from the Fortnite. And you'll also get 500% game earnings. No ads when you have a pop-up thing. It shows like the ads. I mean, I don't think it's worth it, but it's kind of cool if you don't want any interruptions though. Buff pass included for a user with yearly expensive subscription. Yeah, and also your daily reward is times by 2. And then there's powers of Premium Plus included. And right now I'm a regular account, so I don't have any premium yet. But yeah, the more expensive, the more things you get though. monthly loot boxes gotta be kind of cool though. So that's a tutorial how to get buff points more faster. And like and subscribe and see you later. And also subscribe if you want a million buff points. Joking.